family loves Emerald Cove Day Camp for the camaraderie, for the confidence building that it helps our kids grow every year. They look forward to it during the school year and can't wait to come out with their friends and have a great time for the 2-week session. They also build great relationships with the counselors who give them kind of a future of what they can aspire to. And
every morning are greeting my children by name. They're running up, they're making them feel like rock stars, and they're filling their buckets up. They are giving them the eye contact that you are special, you matter, and they're showing kindness, and they're teaching my children how to be kind and loving and open to making new friends just by being themselves. So they're being awesome role models every day.
When I asked them what is their favorite part of camp, they actually told me that the aspect of learning more about God and the songs that they sing with Papo, and they're building character at Emerald Cove Day Camp, and that's what we love most about it.
In a world where there's so much anger and resentment, this is the one place I can guarantee my kids will be safe and that they will share and celebrate their life on a daily basis. And it's only 2 weeks. That's the only drawback of Emerald Cove. It's only 2 weeks. And so it's the fellowship, it's the community, and it's the kindness that we see and that we experience.